Hey guys, today I wanted to review this S8 cordless vacuum. The box arrived in good condition and was very well packed. All the parts are clearly listed on the box so you know exactly what comes inside before opening. Inside the box that the vacuum came in, it came with everything needed to start the vacuum. It is very easy to assemble. Right out the box, all the parts click together smoothly in just a few seconds. No tools are required, and once it's assembled, the vacuum can stand on its own, which is helpful for storage. The telescopic handle extends easily. You can adjust the length to your height. This makes cleaning more comfortable and helps avoid bending or strain. All attachments change with one simple click. No tools and no complicated steps. Switching between attachments is quick and easy while cleaning different areas. The brush head comes off easily. Hair and debris can be removed without effort. The brush is washable, which makes regular cleaning and maintenance simple. The filter is easy to access. Removing and replacing the filter is very simple. Regular maintenance is quick and straightforward. In this clip, we tested the vacuum suction with salt. We put some salt on the floor, and the vacuum picked up the fine particles super easy, and it works well for small everyday messes on hard floors. In this clip, you'll see how well the vacuum was able to clean up the salt without missing any particles. Now in this clip, we put cereal on the floor and we tested the vacuum suction to see if it could pick up bigger particles. And as you can see, the vacuum picks up bigger particles without a problem, which is good pickup performances in one pass, and it really shows how it handles larger pieces. The vacuum head turns smoothly and light, and it feels super flexible. It's easy to move around furniture, corners, and edges. The LED light helps you see dust, crumbs, and debris for more clearly while cleaning. Now we wanted to show you guys how it cleans the carpet, and using the vacuum on carpet, the brush rolls super smoothly across the surface. It helps lift the dirt, crumbs, and pet hair if you have a pet on the carpet. It's a super easy transition from hardwood floors to carpet, and there's no need to change the brushes. Using the vacuum to clean vents and tight spaces, the lightweight design makes it easy to control. It's very helpful for areas that are difficult to reach with larger vacuums. All you have to do is click one button to release all the dust after cleaning, which is quick and simple to empty without making a mess.